Hi, my name is Touseef Sadiq and I work as a PhD at University of Agder, Norway. This PhD position is collaborated with NORCICS where I am working on task 3.4 that relates to humanized deep learning and big data analytics. As a part of NORCICS objectives for the development of technologies, applications, and services for improved resilience, our contribution focuses on big data analytics of multimodal information. The purpose is to improve security and safety in smart districts, with a particular emphasis on content analysis in the absence of metadata for the detection and reconstruction of abnormal activities with prevention, operational, and intelligence objectives. My research focuses on multimodal machine learning, where exclusively I'm working on videos and language learning for object identification and tracking in urban environments. On one side, we have a computer vision field where the tasks such as object detection and object recognition take place. On the other side, we have NLP domain where we have the tasks for language understanding such as text classification, machine translation, and sentiment analysis. Our research focuses to mimic the gap between these two modalities, vision and language, for descriptive object identification and tracking in urban scenario. Currently, I'm working on traffic videos dataset that is obtained from AI City Challenge that contains traffic videos along the description. The goal is to retrieve particular event in the video based on natural language description. We have investigated certain deep learning based algorithms such as CNN based and attention based models for VL and text encoding and to the corresponding common latent representation space. Self-supervised learning based contrastive learning is another technique that we are exploring, which aims to enhance the performance of these two modalities, vision and language attributes, by maximizing the mutual information between them. For this research, our key research findings which are most relevant are first the alignment. So we are considering both modalities, vision and language, in common representation space where we have the features from both modalities, and then we are aligning them into common latent space for certain applications such as image or video description, visual question answering, and so on. We are also investigating and observing the underlying assumption of distance consistency in input encoded space and in the representation space. To better know about the interpretability of the model, that how these features differ from each other, we measure the distance between two features in input space and then in common encoded space. So this will give us the better sights about the interpretability of our models and how these features work. Finally, we'll also try to do some direct mapping by learning the relationships between the vision and language modalities from heterogeneous data. This will give us a view about the VL and language embeddings, which may sidestep over the first challenge of alignment. And we will try to see like if really alignment is necessary, or we can just do the direct mapping between the two modalities and learn on the application side. So we aim to solicit our contribution toward AI city challenges to push our research and development in the intelligent monitoring system. Thanks for listening.